What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So Musa Mseleku had actually planned everything to marry Samgekwela, and he thought that with his plan, everything was going to go smoothly. 6 cows, payment done, Wi-Fi secured. Easy, right? Well, wrong. What he didn't know was that the Kwela family, had a completely different calculation. And when Dunge, his mediator, the elder who went to the negotiations, broke it down for Mseleku. Mseleku was stunned. This is how Dunga explained it, He said, we gave them 4 cows. When we greeted them at the gate, when we got inside the house, we gave them money that equals to 2 cows. And then the mouth opening fee, they say that's a cow too. And wait, it doesn't end there. The Kwela family also went on to say that, you know what, the mouth opening fee, we count it twice. So that's like what, 8 cows? Mseleku was shocked when he heard that, he was like, how we've been overcharged here. It really hit him hard, and he feel like we've just gotten outplayed here in a Lobola negotiation. It's something that almost never happens to him. So, but then there was a twist, as he was seated there and calculating in his head, after all the frustrations, after all the grumbling, he actually paused and admitted something that most men wouldn't, like he actually accepted that in retrospect, the Kwela family was actually reasonable. So that's the thing with Lobola negotiations. In as much as it is about tradition and culture, it gets to a point where it becomes financial, and then negotiators get involved and they start requesting for the price to go down, and these other guys argue and say no, the price must go up. That's our tradition, when it comes to Lobola. And the challenge nowadays is that this Lobola, it's sort of like being abused for financial gain. It's something that we have to grapple with. It's never going to go away. But what makes all this interesting is that we are getting to preserve our culture and identity. In as much as there are negatives to everything, there is also a positive that we are keeping our culture. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.